10 Cuban nationals who arrived illegally on the island are now in police custody facing charges. The Cubans arrived in St. James by boat over the past 2 days. 7 landed on Saturday in small vessels and the other 3 arrived this morning. Jamaica continues to grapple with undocumented people arriving on its shores by sea. This time, it's Cuban immigrants who indicated they fled their homeland because of the hardship. There have been repeated blackouts in Cuba after its electricity grid collapsed. The situation was worsened by Hurricane Oscar. Zone 1 Commander for St. James, Assistant Superintendent Roderick Reed, gave our news team this update on those who entered Jamaica illegally.
These individuals were intercepted by the police along the Unity Hall main road and they were taken into custody. From all indications, these persons entered the space illegally.
Assistant Superintendent Reed said they were again alerted on Sunday about a second set of Cubans.
Where another vessel with 3 Cuban nationals also entered the Jamaica space, and this is at the Half Moon Hotel. Now, all 10 Cuban nationals are currently in custody at the Montego Bay Police Station, where they are being processed by both the police and our external partners, PICA and Immigration.
Based on preliminary investigations,
they were at sea for the past 3 days, and these set that entered at the hotel at Half Moon, they were facilitated by the hotel staff, where they were entitled to meals, they were given showers and also change of clothes.